Check out this delicious recipe for a mouth-watering apple cake with Streusel topping. First, prepare the streusel. Combine cold butter, sugar, and flour in a bowl. Mix until the texture resembles coarse crumbs, then set aside in the refrigerator. Next, for the cake batter, cream together room temperature butter and sugar until light. Add a pinch of vanilla, then mix in room temperature eggs one at a time. Blend in natural yogurt until smooth. In a separate bowl, whisk flour, baking powder, and cornstarch. Gradually add these dry ingredients to the wet mixture. Slowly pour in warm milk and mix until just combined. Peel and core apples, slicing them into thin wedges. Gently fold the apple slices into the batter. Preheat your oven to 175 degrees Celsius. Grease a baking pan and spread the batter evenly. Sprinkle the cold streusel topping over the batter. Bake for about 25-30 minutes, or until a toothpick comes out clean. Let the cake cool in the pan for 10 minutes, then transfer to a wire rack to cool completely. Enjoy your tasty apple cake with streusel topping. Check the description for full details.